In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Apollo.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select the right contacts, compose a clear message, and send it so each recipient receives a personal-looking email, all from within Apollo. First, open Apollo and head to the People section. This is where your contact list lives. If you've already built a segment or applied filters, you should see a refined list of prospects. It's a good idea to filter for verified email addresses to help protect deliverability and reduce bounces. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct view and that the contacts match your campaign intent. Next, select the contacts you want to reach. Use the checkbox at the top to select the visible list or choose individual contacts if you prefer a narrower send. Be mindful of how many you pick, especially if you have daily sending limits or want to test your message first. A small test batch can help you spot typos or formatting issues before you scale up. With your contacts selected, click Email. This opens the email composer directly in Apollo. You'll see your sending account, the recipient count, and the editor. Double check that the from address is correct and aligned with your domain and sending reputation. If you manage multiple mailboxes, make sure you're using the one intended for this outreach. Now, add your subject line. Keep it concise, specific, and relevant to your audience. Aim for clarity over cleverness, avoid spammy words, and consider using the natural language your recipients would expect. If you personalize subject lines with fields like first name or company, make sure those fields are reliably populated in your data. Type your email body in the editor. Write as if you're speaking to one person. Briefly introduce the value, explain why you're reaching out, and offer a simple next step. Keep paragraphs short and scannable. If you use personalization tokens, verify they're mapped correctly and always include a clear way for recipients to opt out in line with your compliance requirements. Before moving on, proofread for tone, grammar, and broken links. A quick preview can help you catch formatting that might look off on desktop or mobile. When everything looks good, choose Send Separately. This ensures each contact receives an individual email, not a group message, which protects privacy and improves response rates. Confirm the send, and Apollo will deliver your emails accordingly. That's it. Your bulk email is on its way, personalized and professional.